What's going on, everyone? Thanks for joining us again today. We're going to be looking at how to build a way to track and manage your bookmarks using Python. So let's jump into it. I've just got a file here, bookmarks.py. We're going to do a couple of imports for libraries. They should come standard though, so you won't need to install them with pip. So we're just going to import OS. Drop down a line, import JSON. We're going to store our bookmarks in a JSON file. So say bookmarks file equals bookmarks.json. Now, let's set up our function to load that file. So define load bookmarks. Don't know why I put that in quotation marks. If os.path.exists bookmarks file with open bookmarks file in read mode as file, we want to return json.load the file. Alright, else, which return a blank array. So we use that when we're initializing our main function, so we can call load bookmarks when we first open up. We'll either grab the JSON file and send that back, or we will return an empty list. Alright, next up we're going to set a function to save our bookmarks. So define save bookmarks, we'll pass in bookmarks, so that's what we'll refer to our array that's being passed around as, or our list that's being passed around as. We'll go with open bookmarks file. This time we want to do it in write mode as file. json.dump bookmarks file indent 4. Perfect. Now, let's build our add bookmarks function. So in order to add, we will define add underscore bookmark, pass in the bookmarks list, and then we're going to need a name for our bookmarks. So name is input, enter bookmark name. We're going to need a URL, so URL equals input, enter bookmark URL. Then we're going to append it to the list, so bookmarks.append. We'll go name is name. No, I'm doing that all wrong. Name is name. URL is URL. I'll put that in our squiggly braces. And then we'll run our save function. So save bookmarks and pass the bookmarks list. Excellent, then we'll print off a confirmation that's been done. Print f bookmark name has been added. Alright, we've got a angry looking squiggle going on up here. Because I forgot to put the colon there. Excellent. Alright. That's now that taken care of. Let's set up our function to view bookmarks. So define view bookmarks. We'll take in the bookmarks list. We'll print off a heading. Bookmarks. And then we'll iterate through our list. So for I, bookmark in, we'll enumerate it. Enumerate bookmarks. We want to go print f. So we start our count at 1. We'll go I plus 1, because otherwise our list will start at 0. And then bookmark name and and bookmark URL. Excellent. Save that there. Now we've got view done, we're going to look at how we can delete bookmarks. So start another function, define delete bookmarks, pass in bookmarks. We'll show people the list of bookmarks, so we'll just call our view bookmarks function. And then we're going to ask people which one they want to delete. So choice, we'll typecast as an integer. I'll explain why in a second. We'll take our input of enter number to delete. Take that in. Then we'll subtract 1 from it. Now the reason we've done that is because when we created our list of bookmarks, we started the count at 1, but lists start at 0. So to make it nice and person readable, we've added this here, so it adds it as a oh, that's not right, that's better. So it starts the count at 1, but we want to assume a list starting at 0, so we're going to subtract 1 from it. Next up, I'll say if choice is greater than or equal to 0 and choice is less than the length of bookmarks, we want to delete bookmarks choice. And then we want to save our bookmarks list again. And we'll say print bookmark deleted. But if they're chosen a number that is smaller than 0 or bigger than the length of the array, it's not a valid choice. So I'll say else print invalid choice. Wonderful. Now we're going to give people the option to search for the bookmarks. So we'll define another function. Define search bookmarks. We'll send in bookmarks, obviously. We'll take a query for the term that we want to be looking for. We'll go query is input enter search query, and we'll set our results as what equals, we'll open a list and go bookmark for bookmark in bookmarks if query dot lower in bookmark name dot lower, or query lower in bookmark URL. Dot lower. So take any possibilities of case sensitivity out of it, and we can search through our list for those queries. So then we'll go print search results, and then we'll print them out. So, whoop, not in there though. Print for, no, just for bookmark in results. We want to print f bookmark name bookmark URL. So easy. Alright, let's jump down into our main function. So to do that we will define main. We will declare our bookmarks list that we've been passing between everything. So bookmarks equals load bookmarks, which will give us either the contents of the bookmarks JSON file or a blank list, either or, depending on if it can find the list. Sorry, find the JSON file. Now, while true, we'll do our menu. Print /n bookmarks manager menu. Print. Let's do a quick copy and paste to save ourselves a bit of time here. Print 1, add bookmark. 2, view bookmarks. 3, delete bookmarks. 4, search bookmarks. 5, quit. Then we'll get people to make a choice. So choice equals input, enter choice. Then we've got to do something with it. So if choice is 1, we want to add bookmarks. We'll pass in bookmarks. If choice is equal to 2, we will view bookmarks, pass in bookmarks, else if choice is 3, we're going to want to delete bookmarks. If option is 4, choice is 4, okay, if choice equals 4, we are going to want to search bookmarks. If we've got option 5, we'll just break the loop, which will end our program or our app. And if none of those are true, or else print invalid choice. And then none left for it, we'd run, save. Alright, so let's see what happens if we run bookmarks. Okay, let's view our list. There's nothing there yet, so let's add something in. Oh, we've got an error. Name add bookmarks is not defined. Did you mean bookmarks? Alright, so let's jump in. Now, I feel like we added an add function here. Add bookmark. Add bookmarks. Save. Let's try this again. 1. Enter a bookmark name. Google. www.google.com. I'll never remember that if we don't save it as a bookmark. Alright. View list. View bookmarks. There it is. Alright. Now, what if we want to search our list? Search query. I remember there's this company that starts with a G, maybe a go. Let's search for that. Oh, then we've got our search results. Google. So it can match even a portion of it. So if we go search again, we'll just search .com. And it will once again match on just the .com from the URL. So let's see if we can delete. 3. We want to delete number 1. Okay, it looks like it's deleted. Let's view our list. It's no longer there. Does quit work? Yeah, it does. Wonderful. Alright, well thanks everyone for joining us today. It's been awesome. I really appreciate you watching. If it's been helpful, drop a like, drop a comment if you've got any questions. If you're interested in keeping up to date with what's going on, feel free to subscribe. Hit the little bell icon if you want to get a message every time we're getting a new video out. Until next time, have a good one.